Introducing Vibra Align, one of the most practical condition monitoring devices on the market. Bearing tester, vibration data collection, dynamic balancing, shaft alignment, all in one device. Say goodbye to carrying multiple tools around the plant, because Vibra Align does it all. Available in standard modules with a 3.5-inch screen, the Pro with a 5-inch display, and the Plus model featuring built-in bearing testing capabilities. Let's dive into vibration analysis. In the Settings menu, you can customize output units, sensor type, frequency range up to 50 kHz, FFT resolution up to 102,400 lines, windowing functions, phase angle, 4 averaging modes. Collect your data. Save it, and move on to the next machine. In route mode, you can set up your machine structure and measurement configurations on your PC, and collect and save data automatically on site. Run up and coast down test lets you monitor vibrations and phase during machine turn on and turn off by simply setting. With the bearing tester, using the shock pulse method, you can instantly assess lubrication quality and bearing condition. Just input shaft diameter and RPM, the rest is automatic. Results are shown on the device and detailed diagnostics are available on your PC. Now, let's move to balancing. Measure RPM. Set number of planes and correction points. Choose weight type. Placement, free or blade mounted, and sensor output type. Start with a trial weight. As per standards, It should create centrifugal force equal to about 10% of the rotor's weight. Install it. Input the mass, and follow the on-screen guide to apply the corrective weights. The device asks whether to keep or remove the trial mass. It then calculates and displays the corrective mass and its position. Run the machine. As you can see, vibration levels are already significantly reduced. As you can see, vibration levels are already significantly reduced. Vibration levels drop dramatically. Sensors are disconnected, and don't forget, this device supports up to 4 vibration channels simultaneously. You can promote in future. Next, soft foot detection. Enter base distances. Connect wirelessly to the sensors. Sensors should be aligned at 12 o'clock. Follow the prompts to loosen and tighten each foot. The device calculates and displays the required shim values. And yes, direct PDF reporting is generated automatically. Now to horizontal shaft alignment. Enter machine distances or recall saved ones. Wireless sensor connection. Rotate the shaft 3 times to detect misalignment. Live displacement readings are displayed in real time. Rotate to 12 o'clock and the device gives you the exact shim values needed to correct the misalignment. You can also correct horizontal misalignment at the 9 or 3 o'clock positions. As you can see, the values update live and in real time on the screen. Apply the changes, and watch the alignment improve instantly, live on screen. Another direct direct PDF report is auto-generated. Lastly, check out the powerful sweep mode. It automatically detects misalignment from any angle without manual intervention, using your chosen averaging settings. Another direct PDF report is auto-generated.
LGP Turkey. Experts in proactive maintenance.